Welcome back to the channel. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get to it. So today, what am I doing? I'm going to be redesigning another old drawing using Inkscape. This time it's going to be the pocket watch drawing I did quite a few years ago now. But unlike before, I'm actually going to base this drawing on this old pocket watch. Right, let's get to it. So as you saw there was a few complicated bits to get over, but all in all, I think it looked a lot like the pocket watch in the end. Right, this video wouldn't be complete unless I show you how it might look as an actual tattoo. Let's have a look at that. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. That's all for now.